Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can able to exit from safe mode. If you see my cursor here, if you can see that already my Windows is in safe mode. So how to exit this? So go to start button over here uh, and click a right button in your mouse and go for run. Alright. So here what you need to do is just type in as msconfig msconfig and click on OK. So you're gonna get this small dialog box. So here go for the boot tab and uncheck this safe boot and click on apply and go to the general tab again. So select normal startup, apply and click on OK. So you will get the dialog box again like this. So just click on restart. So after the restart, your Windows is going to exit the safe mode. Alright. And if you see now, it's going to start in normal mode. Right. So now the safe mode is gone. Alright. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do subscribe this channel and you're gonna get a lot of information more and more and more in this channel. So let's meet in our next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye. Bye bye.